Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss on the topic that is the volatile oil. These volatile oils are also called as essential oil or aromatic oils. They are called as volatile oils as they are volatile in nature, that is evaporate at normal room temperature. Essential oils, they form the essence for that particular plant. They are called as the essential oil, and aromatic oils, they have a particular aroma, so they are also called as the aromatic oils. So essential oil plays an important role in pharmaceutical industry, in cosmetic industry, in food industry, and other industries also. So we will discuss regarding these volatile oil. So the odorous volatile principle of the plant and the animal source are known as volatile oils. As they evaporate when exposed to air at ordinary temperature, that is the room temperature, they are also called as the ethereal oil. They represent the essence of the active constituents of the plant, hence they are also known as the essential oils. Chemically, they are derived from the terpenes and their oxygenated product. They are made up of isoprene unit and are usually mono-sesqui and diterpenes with the empirical formula of C5H8, C10H16, C15H24 and C20H32 respectively. The properties of the volatile oil are solubility, soluble in ether, alcohol and other lipid solvents, and practically they are insoluble in water. Density, they are lighter than the water. For this, the exception is clow oil. Clow oil is heavier than the water. Odor characteristic refractive index is high. Most of them, they are the optically active. They are secreted in the special structures such as the duct, cells, fusigenous or the laciginous glands or the trichomes in the plant, commonly found in the species of the family Labiaceae, Rutaceae, Pipereaceae, Zingiberaceae, Umbelliferae, Myrtaceae, Lauraceae. They are present in entire plant or in any parts of the plant such as the roots, rhizomes, leaves, petal, seeds, etc. Extraction of the volatile oil. Volatile oil are extracted by the different methods of the extraction such as the hydro-distillation method, in which include water distillation, water and steam distillation and steam distillation. They are used for the extraction of volatile oil from the herbal drugs. The fresh material is subjected to hydro-distillation in case of the liquid drugs. Air-dried subterranean parts are extracted by steam distillation. So in this case, as we use the water for the process of distillation, it is called as the hydro-distillation. Next method is the enfleurage method. That is, this method it is used for the extraction of the sophisticated volatile oil such as from the petals of the rose and other flowers, used for the extraction of delicate perfumes. Fresh flower petals, they are mechanically sprayed on the layer of the fatty material, allowed to imbibe. Exhausted petals replaced by the fresh materials. The process is continued till a fatty layer is saturated with the volatile principle, and at last the total fat or the lipid is collected and the volatile oil is extracted out from these lipids with the help of solvent. Third one is the ecuelle method, used for the extraction of the citrus oils. The oil cells, in case of the rain, in case of the lemon, or in case of the orange fruit, these oil cells in the rain structured mechanically using a pointed projection by twisting raw material over them in a clockwise direction, either mechanically or manually, and the volatile oil which oozes out, it is collected on the sponge, and then from the sponge the volatile oil is extracted. Last one, that is the solvent extraction. In this, the solvent such as the benzene or the alcohol or the ether or the other solvents they are used. The sophisticated perfume industries utilize solvent extraction techniques for the production of the volatile oil because the volatile oil obtained by this method do not deteriorate when it is stored for the long period of time as compared to the hydro-distillation, because in case of the hydro-distillation the traces of water may remain which causes the deterioration of the volatile oil. The solvent distilled off may be reused for the further extraction. So for the volatile oil, that is by means of the hydro-distillation method, one can use this Clevenger apparatus. Depending upon the density of the volatile oil, we can use the Clevenger apparatus. Then the hydro-distillation method, another method of the hydro-distillation method, that is the steam distillation. In this, the steam can be used. The volatile oil of the nilgiri leaf can be extracted by this method. This is the photograph of the enfleurage and the defleurage method, in which on the wax the rose petals they are sprayed. Uses of the volatile oil: used as a flavoring and perfuming agent in pharmaceutical formulations, food, beverages, and cosmetics. Used as a medicinal plant such as carbonatives, umbelliferous fruits. Then as an antihelminthic, phenopodium oil, diuretic, Jupiter, aseptic, eucalyptus oil, counter irritant, oil of wintergreen, local anesthetic, that is the glow, sedative, Jatmansi. Then local irritant, Dhaul Mogra oil, Citronella oil is an insect repellent. Lemongrass oil is used for the citral content and subsequently for the synthesis of the vitamin A. And nowadays, mostly preferred, that is the terpeneless oil, from which the terpenes are removed or when they are used in case of the sophisticated perfuming industry. So this is the introduction part of the volatile oils. In next, we will study about the process or the drugs which contain the volatile oil. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.